Hello, I'm Ryan Donnelly, Director of Service at Treadmill Doctor. Today we're looking at the Best Buy winner for treadmills in the price range of $4,000 and up. It's the True ES 900, and this is the base, and this is how it comes out of the carton when you get just the base part of the treadmill. And it might look a little busy right now, but we're going to go over how to get this thing together, and really it's not too bad. We've got a very substantial base. It comes off their commercial series with some personal touches that make it a really fabulous treadmill to run on, most of which has to do with the stride cushioning and the flex of the deck. That being done with an orthopedic belt, and we can see this adjustable soft select stride adjustment from firm being all the way up to soft being all the way back is a great feature on this treadmill and separates it from its CS600 commercial brother. We're going to get into under the hood a little later and talk about some things, but now we're going to look at the hardware kit that came with this. Okay, the hardware kit, we get 3 boxes here, and we have the safety key and all these bolts. They're kind enough to put Loctite already on them, and you have lock washers in here. And as you can see, it's really not all that much stuff. Okay, we also get power cord and your chest strap. We have console instructions and base instructions and owner's manual with assembly instructions. I am going to put this together today the way I would put it together and deviate slightly from the owner's manual, just because the assembly instructions in the owner's manual, because it's a little easier, and that'll be in our first assembly video, which will be the next video in this series, which is installing the decline section of the treadmill at the rear of the treadmill, and we're going to do that next.